Alright, well, good morning, everyone. Just in case none of you knew my name is Hannah. And today we're going to be talking about descriptive words and how they add to the text and the story. So, first question, we're third graders, so we know a lot of big words. But, just in case anybody is kind of wondering, what is a descriptive word? Does anybody have a guess with what a descriptive word is? Anna?
A word that describes something.
Okay, yes. And it's also a word that would add character and meaning and just kind of add some color to the text. So, I will read this and then we'll all read it together. I can use descriptive words to add meaning to my text. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can use descriptive words to add meaning to my text.
All right, so we have been, over the last few days, because it's Christmas time, we have been reading The Gingerbread Man, and everybody loves this story. Maybe not everybody, but I did. And the Gingerbread Man is very mischievous, right? Yes. So I really like how this author writes The Gingerbread Man, because she adds descriptive words to the text, which makes it look like he's even more mischievous. And I didn't even think that was possible. So, the first example we're going to look at is this page. So, the cat is having an encounter with the gingerbread man, but I want to look down here at this sentence, and it's a little blurry, but, "Hello," meowed the cat, "you look like the perfect snack." Right in this sentence, is there a word that kind of stands out to you in that text?
It's perfect.
Yes, perfect. So the author makes perfect bold and kind of stretches it out. So when you read that sentence, does that indicate that maybe you should read it in a different tone of voice than maybe the other words? Yeah. So this is one example of descriptive text. It makes it look, it tells the reader that the author is adding description and a different tone of voice to the cat. That maybe the cat is hungry. All right, and the next example is the cat leaped up, up, up. And notice how the text goes up, just like the cat's leaping. So a descriptive text, and it adds a visual to the text as well, and lets the reader know that the cat is jumping up. And then, if you go to the next page, then it says the cat came down, down, splash. And so there are 3 words in that sentence letting you know that the cat is falling down, but also that the cat splashed. And so that is a really cool use of descriptive text in this book. And so what we're going to talk about today is you've been reading some books independently. So we're going to take a look at that book and find some ways that you could add descriptive text. Okay? So I have another book here. And we are going to find a page and a sentence that we can add descriptive text. So, this page says, the moons came and went, and spring returned once more to the land. The birds sang, and the ice melted away. Then Turtle woke up. Crawling out from under the mud, she began to swim toward the high surface of the water, but she had to swim higher and higher and higher and higher. So this author uses a little bit of the form of descriptive text. They have the word higher getting bolder, but what would be one thing that you could maybe add to that to make it even more descriptive? Anybody have a guess?
Move the words upward.
You could have them move, yeah, upwards. A lot like that. So what we're going to do now for a few minutes, you want to take a look at your books and find a sentence that you could maybe add descriptive text. Okay? Okay, so that is descriptive text, and my challenge for you for reading, as you read throughout the rest of this class, is to find ways throughout the text that you could add descriptive words and add character and add fun, and just have fun with writing, because that's the whole point, right? Thank you.